I'm born on a cold, rainy day. I rise through the clouds, up and away, until I leave them behind, swept along by the wind. I fly. Everything is known, everything is new. Big cities leave me breathless. I see people, crowds of 100, 1,000, 1,000,000. Unique and fragile lives. The journey is long, but I tell you what, I'm not in a hurry. Finally, I see what I was looking for. I let myself fall slowly. Now I shall wait. I wait patiently for the moment to come. And the moment comes. I see you, who like me has been waiting patiently for this moment. This embrace.